Imagine looking at the world and realizing that what you see, feel, and experience isn't an objective reality but a personalized version shaped entirely by your nervous system. This is the core idea behind neurological relativity, which posits that our perception of the universe is limited, filtered, and fundamentally altered by the way our brains process information. Everything you perceive, light, sound, textures, tastes, comes through your sensory organs, where it's converted into electrical signals. These signals are interpreted by your brain, creating the movie of your life. But here's the catch. Your nervous system doesn't capture reality as it is. Instead, it filters, distorts, and simplifies it based on your biology, experiences, and beliefs. Color doesn't exist outside of your perception. Light waves hit your eyes, and your brain interprets them as colors. Without a brain, there is no red or blue, just different wavelengths of light. Time is experienced subjectively. A minute feels like an eternity when you're in pain but flies by during moments of joy. Sound is merely vibrations in the air until your brain translates them into meaningful experiences like music or noise. This means that your reality is not the reality, it's your reality, shaped by the unique characteristics of your nervous system. Your brain is not a passive receiver of reality, it's an active creator of it. But the brain doesn't show us an unbiased view of the world. It filters out most of the data around us. Your senses take in millions of bits of information every second, but your brain only focuses on what it deems relevant to your survival, goals, or current state of mind. When you're hungry, you're more likely to notice food-related stimuli around you. If you believe the world is a hostile place, your brain will focus on threats and dangers, reinforcing that belief. Conversely, if you focus on gratitude or opportunities, your brain will filter for positive experiences, shaping a more optimistic reality. This concept is connected to the idea of reality tunnels, the notion that each person lives within a unique, self-constructed bubble of perception. Your reality tunnel is shaped by your biology, sensory abilities, experiences, memories, and beliefs. These tunnels explain why people can have wildly different perceptions of the same event. Two individuals might watch the same political debate, but one sees it as inspiring while the other finds it infuriating. They are perceiving reality through entirely different neurological and psychological filters. This concept isn't just philosophical, it has roots in neuroscience and psychology. Studies show that sensory perception changes based on context. For example, the famous dress illusion, blue and black versus white and gold, demonstrates how brains interpret the same visual data differently. Cognitive biases show how our brains take shortcuts, leading to skewed perceptions of reality. Neuroplasticity, the brain's ability to rewire itself, means that perception isn't fixed. You can change your reality tunnel by changing your habits, thoughts, and environment. If reality is shaped by your brain, then your perception of the world can change if you change how your brain processes information. Recognize that your beliefs act as filters. Question assumptions and try to see the world from other perspectives to expand your reality tunnel. By becoming more aware of your thoughts and feelings, you can observe how your brain shapes your perception in real time. Through meditation, affirmations, or learning new skills, you can train your brain to focus on positive or constructive aspects of reality. Understanding that everyone lives in their own reality tunnel fosters empathy and helps bridge divides. This concept also opens up profound existential questions. If every individual experiences their own subjective version of reality, is there such a thing as an objective universe? Or is the universe itself a collection of overlapping realities, co-created by the consciousness of every living being? Neurological relativity suggests that what we call reality is far more flexible, mysterious, and personal than we usually believe. Neurological relativity reminds us that we are not passive participants in the universe. We are active creators of the realities we inhabit. Your nervous system is both a gift and a limitation, shaping the way you experience existence. By becoming aware of this, you can take control of your reality tunnel, expand your perception, and create a more meaningful, fulfilling world for yourself. So, ask yourself, what filters are shaping your reality today? What could your world look like if you chose to expand your perception? The answers might just change the way you see everything.